okay that you only cheated one
Well,
day,
I'm gonna tell you, say, you see, if you cheat, one day is not okay with me. See, you have to show me the proof because what you see, what is due to Caesar, I give it to Caesar, and what I don't want for myself, I would not do it to you, baby. So that's what I am saying to you.
But
That's all I'm saying to
it's okay
you.
that you made a mistake and that you gave into the temptation. Hey guys, it's your girl Jen. So I'm back with another one. I thought, okay, I need to get some pranks on the go here. What can I do? So Akeen and I started a weight loss journey and we're actually doing really well. I'm so, grateful for our results so far. So anyways, I thought, okay, I'm going to say, how can you have cheated or whatever? And he's gonna think obviously a girl, but I'm gonna turn it around and say, I found chips and pop underneath the bed. So let's see how this goes. Stay tuned. I'm gonna say I found it underneath the bed. But he's not home yet, but stay tuned, guys. This should be a good one. Okay, guys, that's him. He's just getting home now. Okay, stay tuned.
What are you fixing again?
How could you?
Could I what?
You cheated.
What happened?
You cheated. You know what you did. You know what you did. You know what you did.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about. You cheated.
What are you talking about, man?
After all what we've been through, you cheated.
What?
All what we've been through, you cheated. I can't believe it. You said you weren't going to cheat, and you did.
Babe, clueless as to way I talk. Like,
You know what I'm talking about.
explain to me.
I found the proof.
What proof?
You cheated.
Clueless, baby. Clueless. Like, so talk to me, let me know what is the proof. We are talk, but I don't understand. Like, get to the point, please. Like, I don't understand what. Like,
You have nothing to tell me.
what is it I should have tell you? What is it? I go home, I go to work, and I come home. I agree, I say I cheat. What is it I should tell you? What is the proof? You have to have a proof so I cheat. Show me the camera. Show me the camera where you see me a cheat.
I'm going to show you the proof in a minute. I'm just giving you the chance to own up to the fact that you cheated.
Oh, I should own up to something that I don't know about. Where you get that from? Where you get that from, B? I don't know where you're talking about. I can't own up to something I don't know about. That's how I sit here. You agree with me, say I cheated. You just come
But
from
the good thing is,
look
look at this end. The good thing is, we all make mistakes, and we can start over. One day is okay. It's okay that you only cheated one day. It's fine.
Something like it wrong with you.
It's okay that you only cheated one
I'm
day,
gonna tell
babe.
you, say, you see, if you cheat, one day is not okay with me. So you have to show me the proof, because watch it. You see, what is due to Caesar, I give it to Caesar, and what I don't want for myself, I would not do it to you, baby. So that's what I am saying to you.
But
That's all I'm saying to
it's okay
you.
that you made a mistake and that you gave into the temptation
What
and
is the
the
mistake I made?
cravings, and it's okay that you gave into it, because you know it is hard. I know it's hard to stay faithful to something. You know, I know it's really difficult and it's really hard. So it's okay. You can start over, and
What I'm going to say to you is, nothing is hard once you put your mind to it. There's nothing at all that I can't be. You understand what I say to you? So you see what me tell you, say I'm faithful to you, baby, and you I'm faithful to.
I didn't say you weren't faithful to me.
But you accuse me of cheating, and that's what
Yeah,
I say
but
to you.
cheating, there's different things of cheating. I don't mean cheating with a girl.
What kind of cheat you mean? See, come like it.
I mean cheating on our diet. I see the proof. I see the proof. I see the proof. You're cheating. You just automatically thought I meant girl. I mean, you cheated on our diet.
You go on the road and go buy those stuff. But I never, and me not buy ketchup. What? Me not buy ketchup chips and me not eat diet. Me not drink Coke and Pepsi and Sprite.
I pranked you.
The camera.
I pranked you.
I know you. Yo, John start. Something come like it wrong with it. Oh, gee, no, John start.
I knew you were
Bag
gonna.
of chips and bag of something.
I knew he was gonna think it was a girl.
You can what people cheat with, like. People not cheat with nothing. Me I say you may go church.
Cheating on our diet.
Me I say to you, say, in myself, me I say, babe, but we go church today and we are come with cheating, like, we go church and then we go work. What kind of cheating?
Me and Sharon came up with it. She's like, say that you're cheating, but like at the end of it, say you're cheating with chocolate bars. I thought that was a good idea. So Sharon, this one's for you.
Mama Sharon, you don't worry, man. We are coming up. Like me personally, I come up with a prank for you. Don't worry about it, yeah? Don't worry about it. It's alright. You want to run prof? You want to play rough for us? I'm here for you. Don't you worry about it.
Okay, guys. So that was a fun one. It was cute. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for your support. Remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to be reminded every time we upload a new video. Mwah. God bless and peace out.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?